Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about lists in HTML, part of Web Technologies course. In HTML, lists are used to organize and present information in a structured way. There are two types of lists in HTML, ordered list and unordered list. An ordered list is created using OL tag and the list items are marked using LI tag. The items in an ordered list are numbered automatically. Here is an example of an ordered list. This code will create an ordered list with 3 items. Each item will be numbered automatically. An unordered list is created using UL tag and the list items are marked using the LI tag. The items in an unordered list are marked with bullet points. Here's an example of an unordered list. This code will create unordered list with 3 items. Each item will be marked with a bullet point. It is also possible to nest lists inside other lists. For example, this code will create a list with 3 items. The first item has a sublist with 2 items in it. It's also possible to style lists with CSS. For example, you can change the bullet point style or the numbering style. You can also use class or ID attributes to style it. In summary, lists are used to organize and present information in a structured way in HTML. There are 2 types of lists in HTML, ordered lists and unordered lists. Ordered lists are created using OL tag and unordered lists are created using the UL tag. Both types use LI tag to mark the list items. Lists can also be nested inside other lists and they can be styled with CSS to change their appearance. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.